I am Rajipal, and in this video we are going to see the result for pyramidal horn antenna which is designed in HFSS software. So first of all, our question says the antenna configuration and dimensions. So first of all, we have to open HFSS software, and this is pyramidal horn antenna configuration, and we can check its dimension from the create rectangular portion. If we click this portion, we can see easily the values. Now our second question, which says S11 oblique return oblique reflection coefficient characteristics. So we can find this from XY plot 1. For getting those results, we have to analyze it. I have analyzed it previously, so I am getting the result directly. So this is S11 plot. Now let's see the next question. It asks for the resonance frequency. We know the resonance frequency is at the lowest point. So resonance frequency is here. If we just left click it and add marker, then we can see the result here. The resonance value. Here we can see the resonance value. Now come to the next point. And it say upper cutoff and lower cutoff frequencies. So this is the lower cutoff, and upper cutoff is not present here. Upper cutoff is not present in the screen. Upper cutoff is at M1 here. Now let's see the next question. It is asking for the bandwidth. So for finding bandwidth, we have to know the two frequency, one upper and lower. As there is one frequency, we will say that upper frequency is at the end point, and if we subtract the upper frequency from the lower frequency, then we can get the bandwidth. Otherwise, if we get the fractional bandwidth, then we have to use the formula FH minus FL divided by FH plus FL into 200. Now let's see the next question. And this question asks for variation of real and imaginary part of the input port impedance. So in the XY plot 2, we can find this type of thing. This is actually a real value, and one imaginary value is present in this graph. Now the next question says radiation pattern 2D oblique 3D polar rectangular etc. So from where you can find this? From this section we can find the 3D polar plot. This is the 3D polar plot. Our next question says current, electric field or H distribution, H field current distribution. We have to go back to the model, and first of all we have to select one area and just left click it, plot fields, and if we select something like that, then we can see the fields. This is electric field magnitude. Now let's see the next question. Next question says we have to find port impedance. For port impedance, we have to go the analysis, this portion, and from here we have to select matrix data, and we have to check the z0 value. From here we can see the port impedance. Now our last question asks for radiated fields. From here we can see the radiated fields portions. So that's it for today.